Hello everyone, this is Resford and I'd like to welcome you all to the Chonoguk Discord server. Now I know a lot of you have a lot of questions. You just clicked the link, registered, and got brought into this thing and have no idea what's going on. Don't worry, we'll address everything in due time. I'll make a lot of videos for you to follow to understand what's this hodgepodge of commands of what are all these things, who are these people. I'll address it all, but this particular video is going to be dedicated to using the music bots. So this is for people who just want to enter a channel and just listen to music while they play games or hang out with their friends or do homework. You can definitely do that for anyone who wants to use the music bots. And I know there was a lot of confusion as to how to do it, and I did create some commands, but it seemed it wasn't so intuitive. So that's why I'm making this video. So first things first, on the left side we have our channels. On the left side we have our channels, and sorry about that. We're going to navigate down to the music channel. We're trying to access the music bot commands, and I have it all written down here. So if you scroll down on the music and the text channels, so text channels are all indicated by this hashtag. They're always indicated by hashtags, so just click this right here and it will bring you right here. Okay, now it says we have 5 music bots in this channel, so these are the 5 music bots under Hyojinim's band. We have the Jockie music 1, 2, and 3, and Rhythm bot. These are our music bots, and yeah, they are what are gonna play the music for you. How to use it? Well, to use the Rhythm bot over here, type join, type exclamation join without quotes while in a voice channel. So we need to be in a voice channel. Remember, you need to be in a voice channel in order to use a music bot. Voice channels are any channel on the left side with an audio icon right there. The volume icon, just click on any one of those voice channels. If you want to play Animal Crossing, you can enter that one, Pokemon Smash, but we're just going to enter the music one for now. Just click it and you'll be automatically connected to the voice channel. Just click it and I'm in. So now what does it say to do? It says use exclamation mark join. Now what that does is it calls the bot right into our channel. So this is a bot, not a person. And this bot can play whatever music we want it to play. Now, we don't really need to use the join command because we could just automatically play it by using the play command. So let's just kick it out. You can kick out the bot by using the disconnect command. So it's just exclamation mark disconnect. And there we go. The bot just left the channel. You could, so if you, without using join, you could just use exclamation mark play, the command exclamation mark play, and just enter whatever song you want as you would enter in like a YouTube search, for example. So let's enter See You Again, and the bot joined our channel and is playing the song. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it. What you guys can do is someone is messing around with something up there. But here, what you guys can do is just adjust the volume of the music by just right-clicking the rhythm bot. Because we're using the rhythm bot, just right-click it and adjust the volume. Oops, sorry about that. So just adjust it. Sometimes I don't like to listen to loud music while playing video games, so I adjust it all the way down here. So whatever your preference is, just adjust it that way. And you can add more songs to the queue by just entering the command play and adding another song, for example. And it'll queue up and play right after. And you can always skip a song by using the command skip. So exclamation mark skip. And it's going to skip to the next song. And you can always pause a song by using the exclamation mark stop. And it pauses. And you can kick out the bot. You can stop music altogether by just kicking out the bot. Exclamation mark disconnect. I said this earlier. And that's it for using the rhythm bot. Now remember, we only have 5 bots, so only 5 channels can use the bots at a time. What this means is if someone's using the rhythm bot, you might want to use a different bot because the rhythm bot is in use only if you want to join that channel and listen to the song he or she is using. So how do we use the Jockie music bot then? This is really simple. It's almost the exact same thing as the rhythm. The only difference is you just start every command with an M. An M exclamation mark play will use the jockey bot instead of the rhythm bot. Just remember, just the M. The M is the only difference. Play, and then let's just try it again. Let's play See You Again by Wiz Khalifa. And I am lagging a bit, but yeah, as you can see, the jockey music bot entered my channel. Let me lower the music. Once again, you right click and you adjust the volume. Yep, just like that. Just right click and adjust the volume for whatever music bot you put into your channel, or even people. You can adjust the volume of people in your channel. Now, remember, it was just the M, and then it works just the same. So, just M. You can add another song, and it added a song to the queue. Same thing. You can skip by M exclamation skip, and it skips it. And you can always pause it, but I believe this time it actually kicks it out. So stop for the one difference is stop for jockey music kicks out the bot and doesn't pause it. There might be a functionality to pause it, but you can just play around with it. Let's just try it really quickly, and see if pause works. Yes, so you can just use the command pause. Pretty intuitive, right? Just use the command pause and you should be good. And yeah, once again, you can kick out a bot from your channel. This time you could use stop, but conventionally, let's just stick to something we already know, and that is, remember, you always start with the M for all the jockey music. So remember, the command for one jockey music works for all the jockey music. It's just if one jockey music is being used, it'll call the one that is not being used the next one that is available. So once again, you start commands for jockey music with the jockey music bot with M exclamation mark. Okay, and we're just going to disconnect it like we did the other one, and it kicked it out. So thank you for your service, for using our service. And lastly, that's pretty much it for using music. And you can just remember you're in a channel. How you disconnect from a channel? You just click this little X button right here. This dial out button. Disconnect. It's at the bottom left of your screen, and you just click it, and I'm out of the voice channel. So thank you all for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, just at me in the Discord at biggest boss boss Yansu, or just you can private message me or message the welcome chat. People will be glad to help you. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you have a fun time with your friends. Bye.